Welcome back Welcome back to another video of Dead Girls. So ngayon, mayroon bagong update ng Dead Girls sa trains. Ngayon, napagkita nyo na may trains, classes, and buy bonds. Guys, iniipon ko dito, pakita sa inyo. Iniipon ko dito ay... What's wrong? Loading? Wala nga. Wala, nangyari guys. Basta armor train yung ano ko. What? What's happening guys? Ba't ganito siya?
Kaya mo naman yung ano?
Alam po.
Yung mga... Yung mga... Lagi mo na dun. Basta ang lagay dun.
So, armor, papakita ko sa inyo. Gusto ko kunin. Ano ba ito? Ang tagal naman. Basta armor train. Ba't di ko maano ito? Ano? Reconnect na. What's happening? What ang ganito? Wow! Aray ko! Bigat! Aray ko! Bigat! Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung my god, ano? Nakakainis to. Nakakainis to guys. Ba't naglag? Ilan ba pin ko? Baba naman ang pin ko. Tama. Yeah, basta armor train. Default time pa lang hinay. So guys. Bumper gamit ko. Here. Let's begin our journey to get 14 wins on the duels. Hey. 30 na wins guys. Papa 14 pa ako. Samping ko. Okay, mababa na guys. Tingin ko. Pero natakot na ako guys sa the drills. Sa pagkita ko guys, yung parang meron daw something na gumagalaw. Probably not something. Tingnan nyo guys kung meron akong ba't dito punta? Tingnan lang nga guys kapag meron nangyayari. Tanggalin ko lang to kasi mababa naman pin ko. Mining helmet. Sabihin nyo bakit kailangan ng mining helmet? Kasi para makakuha ko ng kagupunta ako sa mga towns, pwede ako mag-raid na sa gabi. Lightning rod do. Ay! Newspaper do. Sabihin nyo bakit kukutin ko to, but useless na to. Nag-penetrate na siya sa bullets. Gagawin ko yung fuel. Tara, alis tayo. See ya. Huh? Uy, ganda na ito guys. Swerte ko ngayon ah. Nabulsaw guys ngayon. Kala ko Sterling. Sabi ko, ang ganaw ng Sterling. Sasabi ko sana guys, ang ganaw. Kasalanan niya yan? Oh! Ano to? Apat? Dami ng kulo. Apat na kulo yun. Swertehan lang ako guys. Daling ko to. Babar ng buhay ko guys. At dapat, wala na. Mahalaga kasing mining. muna dun sa ano. Kailangan ko guys ng bandage guys. Wait. Wala siyang penetrate tubo. Aray ko. Pwede mag-penetrate sila sa mga ano. Kapag dinoble mo, ano mangyayari? Umambilo, krakadilo. Mamatay ako, kailangan ko ng ano bang. Maroon na kayo sa manapin. Aray ko! Mamatay ako guys sa unang run na to. Nangangalit ako dito guys. Walang kwenta. Lang. May kwenta naman para mamatay ka. See ako dito. Punta ka na. Sakto. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. See guys. Work smarter na. Oh my, mamatay na ako. Kailangan ko ng doctor's office. I'm gonna die. Swerte naman, but unlucky din na same time. Swerte at malas at the same time guys. Gabi na? Malapit magabi mga 2 minutes, 3, 6, 9. What? 2 minutes. Ano to for a doctor's office? Tapos na ako ng fuel. Uy! Oh. Ano ba yan? No, huwag ka dyan. Read ko nga lang yan. Maling time na ginawa ko yun. Mali ginawa ko. Mamatay na ako dun. Cool. Ito muna guys magstay. Oops. Kasi mali. Mag-stay muna dito guys, mamamatay pa ako. Kapag magagabi na, alas na ako dito. Uy! Chair. Saddle. Baka malagay yan pagkakuha ng unit. Ako, yan na. Maganda din makaya yung helmet guys. Ang baril. Okay, Langot talaga ng baril. Nakakinasin nyo guys yung mga gun zombies. Pero huwag mo na ako mag-ano. Wait lang ito. Ako pero. Tala. Ano? Nakakinis talaga. One more time.
Nagtawas ka?
Yes.
Hindi naman namayang ilikilim. Hindi ano. Ano ba yan? Ito.
No?
Sayang ko ngayon ito. Ano mo na nga ito bukas? Cellphone na yun. Sayang naman. boy, cellphone na yan. Bili mo na bukas.
Bili ba ako weapon para dun sa mga ano na yun? Hindi na lang. Kung may ng helmet dito. May helmet, walang. Sayang. Namatay pa ako dun, guys.
Mga kayo naman sa dam?
Wow.
Eng?
Naman.
Eng? Eng? Dumaan kayong ano naman sa dam? Na? Kailan?
Don't forget the newspapers. Come on, guys. We need to win this. Unang bahay, doctor office agad. Kailangan na maraming mga bandage. Bandage na ako, vampire knife. Maganda kasi yung vampire knife dito eh. At daming bandits. Hindi bandits. Sabi ko na doctor office nga. Uy, lapit. Stop lang kayo, guys. Stop lang kayo dyan. Lapit nyo sa akin. Ilawang doctor office, oh. Takbo. Kunin yung mga... Uy, snake oil! Kunin ko to. Ano ba ginagawa ko? Oh my god. Yan. Doctor office pa. Itong swerte ko. Swerte ko dito ngayon Bandages. Malagay na sa akin yung mga bandages ngayon kasi vampire gamit ko eh. Walang snake oils. Bandage lang. Okay, lang yan. Kailangan natin, guys, manalo. Matay tayo. Huwag mo na mag-raid nga kung town. Next time na lang.
Kusutin mo na yun.
Unlock. Swerte ko dito, guys. Meron talaga. Biglang narinig ko yung guys. Nevermind. Kala ko... Ba't marunong na kayo pupunta sa pintuan? Hindi na kayo marunong Unang kita nyo, punta kagad kayo sa akin Nation developers kasi. Dami na ako bandage. Heal muna ako. Let's go. Punta tayo sa mga May marami na ako. 3 mga... Kailangan ko, guys, ng metal wall. Walls, guys. Ngayon, try ko i-raid yung... Magdalagang isip ako dyan Next time ako mag-raid ng castle. 8 PM na pala.
Eh, pwede kang gawin mo ako na.
Dalawang bahay. Sunod.
Parang sama ng pagkakatulog ko kanina sa kwarto.
Tatlong bahay in a row. Oh. M-Town. Nakita ko.
Nasaan kaya yung alcohol na malaki? Ay, yung isang pang-spray na alcohol.
Pwede rin daw yeah, why not? Trade ako ng town. Do your work. Do your work. Do your work.
Alcohol yung daddy sa kotse. Ulit ko lang na.
Sino?
Hindi ba ito yon? Ah, yung white. Wait lang. Tawas lang.
Bala lang. Uy, sakto kapag na-chat ako, di ako maano. Aliko! Ay, sakit naman. Pa! Lang po. Wait lang po.
Dali ko ka diyang ng pera.
Naglalaro.
Ilan mo, dali. Pati ka magpapalayo.
Guys.
Paul! Ano? Ito na. Hindi ako nag-make up.
Ah!
Yeah.
Pa!
Ano?
Lang pa.
Dali, makakasarap ka. Ala.
Baka... Hindi na makamatay ako dito. Lang. So, welcome back. Dami ko na patay dito kanina. Ngayon, nagpapaano muna ako. I am 2. Yung aim ko guys dito sa laro, parang nahihirapan ako kasi di ko talaga kaya mag-aim. Neng. Ito. Kapag guys kapag laptop or may mouse na may laptop, PC, gano'n, kaya ko mag-aim doon. So, easy lang din dito sa iPad or cellphone, mahirap ang meron sa iPad kasi malaki. So, we're playing Dead Rail. Sorry, tagal ko mag-80k na tayo guys. Hindi pa ako nag-record dun. Kalimutan ko guys. Sorry. Thank you guys. Doing great ang amo.
And there we go. Truly narrow, truly Chino. Guys, it's rebirthing, bro. See, that's how they do it. What the heck is that big thing? Oh my god. Oh, wait, we're already getting through this pretty fast, though. 4 trillion for this guy? Guys, this is... Okay, I can take him, though. But that's great. Beating him once. Beating him once. Okay, teapot. Of a teapot with legs, bro. Ain't no way. Okay, so we have to... 500 trillion. 500 trillion? Guys, what is happening? That is insane.
I'm buying
Okay,
so
level
many
28,
sneakers
level
para kapag
25.
nandun na
We
ako,
can
di
do
ako
this.
mamatay.
We can fully do this. I just killed him. Wow! I'm so strong now. Holy, this is insane. Okay, I'm gonna level so quick. Wait, this is amazing. Okay, the next level is probably gonna be pretty hard though, level 28. So we're already level 25, almost level 26. Who's after this, dude? What's in the Wikipedia? What is that? Oh, it's the Bandito! And then it's Sasamiso, Nino! I need to shut up. What am I saying, bro? Oh, Burrito, Vampete, I have a freaking Tommy gun. This is sick, bro. I bet you I take him out in one hit. I do. 10 quintillion. Are you kidding? 10 quintillion. 10 quintillion. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Okay, let's try this. Let's try the epic win, whatever. I don't have a ticket? What's a Trollalero ticket, bro? What even is that? What's a Trollalero ticket? Permanent boost. Like, what is this?
I have so many
Okay, we
sneakers.
just gotta sit here for like another 4 hours and just... Hey, I mean, you guys want this, alright? The other Brain Rot video did it the same. You guys loved it, so it's your fault. It's your fault I'm doing this. This is gonna take forever. Well, it's actually not gonna take too long, but the next level is gonna take so long, bro. Why is this giraffe a cactus, and why is he wearing boots, bro? That's the real... Oh, I got a Trollalero ticket. I can do the thing now. Okay, we get one more hit. See, if these guys just spawned, like, more frequently, we'd be done in a second. That's how they get you. That's how these Roblox games get you. Play the game for longer, because the longer you play, the more Robux they get. And the more money they make. 35, that's trash, bro. I'm using it again. Go. Give me something good. This stuff's garbage. It's like... It's really...
Kailangan manalo. So, manalo dito guys para maano tayo. And nakapunta sa 80k para manalo tayo. Need to win, blah blah blah, blah blah blah.
73% back, but I've literally been waiting 15 minutes just on this one level.
Okay. Ano daw ng kilos guys? Ballerina cappuccina.
We're almost there, 97%. Come on. It's literally getting 1% per hit with this guy. I gotta hit this guy.
Ballerina
Come
cappuccina.
on, just one more hit. Just one more hit. Boom.
Ballerina
Cappuccino. Assassino.
cappuccino
100
assassino.
quintillion? Wait, was it 10 before? Okay, but now I do 100 trillion per hit. So will this take a long time? Yeah, this will take so long. Does adding another trippy trucky, does that speed this process up? Let's just see.
Trippy tropa.
Wait, I don't know, two trippy
Trippy tropa.
Okay.
Trippy tropa.
Let's officially see how much we pay for it. I just added 2 more trippy trappies. Let's go. We need more. It doesn't even say how much I'm doing with it. I'm only doing like 100. It's not even that much. I'm at 1 quintillion out of 100 quintillion. Guys, I might have to leave this on for like an hour and see what happens. Because I'm level 27. I have to be level 28 to go to the next level. So there's not really anything I can do. I can buy more crates, I guess.
Stop lang ako, may ginawa lang ako.
Give me something good.
Lapit na guys.
All trash. I think those were all trash. Yeah, nice, dude. Garbage.
Uy, stop.
Guys, I've been filming for an hour. I'm not even the last level. How do you expect? Also, that's going to take 800 game and go through little guys, right? Because you're not going to be able to kill this big guy without buying, like, these pets. Which
Ano yung binabaril ko?
$50. So, you just don't understand.
Ba't ko nalang baril sila? My God.
I just want to like, what do you mean? Okay, we're doing this. Which time brain are you on? Choose your favorite brain network. Signal. Generation you're calling to. I'm Gen Z. You're listening to Brain Network. We're fighting to protect your family. Who are you? The prankster, 100%. What do you think is the most important? Where does it go? It's God's lunch period. Do you think it's about eat stuff, dogs, preps?
Ah, Rico.
No, dude. None. Honestly, none. The jocks, because they have Aura, and I'm Brian said Aura. It's your social media, YouTube. YouTube, it is. Exactly how brain ready do you think you are? I'm goaded. I'm corked up. I'm pretty alpha. I've got a little sauce. I'm sorry. I'm goaded. What's
Hey,
the
what?
most
Golden button?
glazed Batman Band Minecraft? This was made by like a 40-year-old. Gun Batman Bathrooms, Five Nights at Freddy's Minecraft. Glazed. Like glazed. Excessively praised is what glazed means. Just making sure I
Ang bond dito, eh. Dalawa agad din. Bombardino crocodile. Okay, babalik. My God, Lightning Knight. Ba't wala lumalabas sa Lightning Knight?
What does it do?
Birilla.
I don't know. Okay, I got 4. I got freaking 4, dude. I suck. 25% failed the quiz, bro. Okay, how close?
Finally.
Not even 9%. Okay, well, I'll be back once I get to the next level, and we'll see what that
Oh
is.
my God, guys,
After
mananalo.
many hours, we are finally, I think, 1 hit away from level 28. I'm not kidding. It's like 6 hours later. Now, I tried to leave it on auto attack, but it'll like reset you back to over there after a while.
What
so
the?
You can't, like, you just have to look at the freaking computer. So I just had it off to the side and was recording and streaming. But yeah, here we go. 99.9812.
Nag-bliss guys. Ako. Bliss ang...
There we go. We did it. And the next one is 112 trillion. So we have 2 trillion of that. Alright, here we go. Into the next level. Guys, I spent all day, so please leave it early.
Pati wipe out to guys.
And so we did it.
We are max level. Ain't no way. Now, I don't know what these secrets are. Level up to unlock the brain lock. I think this is, I have no clue. I don't know how to get these.
Babalik
I
tayo
think maybe
guys
it'll be in the
kapag
update, but let's see how
nasa...
much we
Tapos
do.
nanalo na tayo. Guys, malapit na guys. Oh my God. Say ballerina cappuccina. Type in the sabihin niyo sa comments, type in the chat, and type in the comments, Dead Rails win 14. Or if you want, See you on the next video. And bye. Eh nga pala, bibiling ko na yung armored train nga pala.
Let them float all up in space. And this man's talking about these babies are huge, sir. What babies?
Balagat ako.
These aliens out
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Armored train.
Oh my god.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Just show
See you on the next video. And